Make a great choice today with the 2016 Dart. The Dodge Dart is a compact sedan that combines efficiency with sport. With plenty of space to tote passengers, the Dart is a great value. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, trip computer, security system, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.